The cost reduction benefits of virtualization are multiple if the project is planned and executed properly. Some of the tangible benefits include reduction in the cost of equipment. A properly constructed virtual environment can drastically reduce the equipment cost of a data center. The upfront investment of the infrastructure can be staggering, but when compared to the cost of purchasing physical servers for each and every purpose, the cost savings begin to become apparent. Hardware is able to be shared and better utilized, giving your data center an effective economies of scale. Reduction in the total cost of ownership. A virtual environment will consist of fewer components than a more typical data center design. Fewer components mean fewer pieces to break, which will lower the repair costs over the depreciation cycle. Additionally, fewer components mean that there are fewer items that must be replaced at the end of effective life, so your total cost of ownership is reduced. Reduction in power and cooling. Providing power and cooling to your data center is many times a hidden cost. However, it should not be overlooked in calculating your ROI. Fewer components mean a drastically reduced energy consumption in both power to the components and power to cool the data center. When calculated over the effective life cycle, tangible savings will be realized by virtualization. Some of the intangible benefits include improved availability. A virtual infrastructure, if engineered correctly, should produce a higher rate of availability than other design models. More availability means less outages, which should improve business function and effectiveness, contributing to the company's overall bottom line. Increase effectiveness of IT staffing. Though a virtual environment is more complex, an IT department should see improvement in efficiencies of labor from the administration of the environment. Many basic tasks can be done across the entire platform, enhancing IT's ability to tackle administrative tasks in a much smaller time window. If you do virtualization and you do it right, you will save your company both time and money. When planning your project, ensure that you take all of these items into your calculations to produce the best and most accurate ROI and get your funding.